AirPods not connecting, 5 fixes that will always work. So you open your AirPods case, you bring it closer to your iPhone, and instead of that smooth instant pop up on your phone, nothing is happening. Or worse, they connect and instantly disconnect. Or one AirPod works, or your phone just refuses to find them. You're now stuck thinking, did my AirPods just die? Relax. In 2026, AirPods connection issues are extremely common, and most of the time, they are not hardware failures. They're just pairing glitches, Bluetooth confusions, or outdated connection states stuck in your device. And today, I'm going to be showing you 5 fixes, starting with the fastest one that solves most cases instantly. So let's fix it. Now, this is the simplest and most effective fix. Most AirPod issues happen because your iPhone is quite confused about the connection. So here is what to do. You're going to go over to your settings and you're going to go to Bluetooth. So you can finally pretty easily and simply get that in your settings tab. And once you're here, find your AirPods in your Bluetooth list. Okay. Now, once you do that, you're going to tap this eye icon and then you're going to tap forget this device. Now, do this to reset the connection. Put your AirPods back in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, open the lid near your iPhone, and hold the setup button on the back of the case. Now, once you do that, you're going to wait for it to pop up and connect again. Now, in most cases, this immediately fixes your connection failure, random disconnections, and one AirPod not working. This is kind of a clean restart of AirPods pairing. Now, if forgetting the device did not work, we can go much deeper. What you need is a full reset. So, the first and foremost, you're going to put your AirPods inside the case. Once you do that, you're going to keep the lid open, press and hold the setup button for 15 seconds. Okay. And once you do that, you're going to watch the light. Now, if it is an amber flash, the reset is happening. If it is a white flash, it means it's ready to connect. Now, reconnect them like they're totally new. This wipes old pairing data completely. Okay. It's especially quite useful if AirPods were paired with multiple devices, switching between iPhone, iPad, or Mac, or any glitchy firmware state. Now, sometimes the problem is not in the AirPods, it is in your iPhone's Bluetooth system. So, for that, try this. Turn your Bluetooth off on your phone and wait for 10 seconds. Once you have waited, you're going to go ahead and turn it back on. Now, once you've turned it back on and it is still not working, what you're going to do is you're going to totally restart your iPhone. Also, you're going to check if your auto switch is on or off for Apple devices. If you see multiple Apple devices, auto switch can basically cause sudden disconnections, random device switching, and audio completely cutting out. So you're going to disable it temporarily and test it once again. Now, if only one AirPod is working, don't assume that it's broken. Go ahead and try this. Clean both the AirPods quite gently. The earwax buildup is going to block its sensors. So put both of the AirPods back in the case. Check the charging indicators for both sides and make sure that they are charging. Sometimes one AirPod simply just isn't charging properly. Also, try to reset again, swapping the left and right placement and ensuring that both are fully seated in the case, because a dead AirPod is often just a charging contact issue. Now, AirPods run on full firmware, and yes, it can glitch quite often. So if nothing works, update your phone to the latest iOS. You're going to keep your AirPods connected near the phone and place them in the case and charge them for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, the firmware updates usually install automatically because this can fix random disconnects, audio lag, pairing failures after updates. So let's be honest. Sometimes it is hardware. The signs can be the AirPods not showing up at all after the reset, the case not charging, one AirPod completely dead even after cleaning, physical damage or water exposure. In these cases, troubleshooting won't help you much. You're pretty much looking at battery replacement where AirPods are going to degrade over time, or even Apple service and replacement. So, obviously, these issues are going to go ahead and cause a lot of problems for you. And these are things that you are going to want to constantly go ahead and fix for yourself. And of course, there are many mistakes that you can prevent because using AirPods is kind of like using a very dedicated and precious thing for yourself because it's small technology and it can easily go ahead and cause issues. In the hardware cause, sometimes, as I said, it is going to be the hardware because it's a fragile device. It may have fallen, it may have, lost its sensors, it may have caused issues. In that case, you can obviously go ahead to Apple service or repair shops where they can either tell you that they can find a fix in this or they might let you know that your AirPods are gone for good and you might need to buy a new one. But that is obviously in the most worst case scenario. Okay. So these are obviously pretty straightforward things that you are going to need to have an idea of. Now, let's be honest. What's going to happen is once you fix all of them, keep them stable. Don't constantly pair with too many devices, even if they're Apple. Also, keep your firmware updated via your iPhone. Clean your AirPods almost regularly. Keep cases charged above 20% and avoid exposing them to any type of heat or moisture. AirPods are quite sensitive, but they're not fragile, just picky. So, yeah, AirPods not connecting feels quite annoying, but in most cases, it's just a pairing glitch, a Bluetooth reset issue, or a simple reset away from working again. So, start with Forget Device. That fixes most problems instantly, and that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.